Hello, friends! Today we're going to learn about beautiful shapes with twins Sarah and Maria. Are you ready? Let's begin! Look! This is a circle! It's round like the sun. And this is a square. It has 4 equal sides. This is a triangle. It has 3 pointy corners. Let's also learn about the heart shape, because it represents love. Now, let's play a game. Can you find things in your home with these shapes? I found a star. How about you? Tell me what you found. Let's all sing together. Shapes so much fun. Clap your hands and join us, one by one.
Circle, circle, round and right, a ball that rolls along. Twins say circle, you say round and strong. Square has sides, count with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Twins say square, you say let's count some more. Triangle, pointy hat, 3 corners, don't forget. Twins say triangle, you say my favorite yet. Heart means love, let's cheer. Shapes are fun with twins so dear. Clap your hands, give a cheer. We'll learn more next year.
If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll learn more in the next video.